Hello, my name is Kevin Vinson, and this game is called Frisbee Ping Pong, and it's for grades 3 through 5. The equipment needed for Frisbee Ping Pong are Frisbees, wiffle balls, and cones. To set up the game, first, depending on the size of the class and the amount of equipment, this game can be played as a team game or one-on-one. Use existing boundary lines on the court as your net. Use cones to determine the length of your net. This varies depending on whether you're playing teams or playing one-on-one. Also, use cones to set the inline boundary of your court. Each student will get a Frisbee that will be used as their paddle, and each court will get a wiffle ball that will be used as the ping pong ball. To start the game, one student will serve the ball across the net. The opposing player must return it into the opponent's court before the ball bounces twice. If the ball bounces twice in one player's court, then the other player gets a point. If a player hits the ball out of bounds or does not make it across the net, then the other player gets a point. Players will alternate serves after every 2 points. There are no faults. If a player fails to get a serve in play, then the other player gets a point. The player that reaches 15 points first is declared the winner. If you play teams, then the same rules apply except that players will alternate serves after each point. One player will typically play closer to the net and one player will be closer to the inline. This is a game of volleys. There are no spikes allowed. Players will call the ball in or out themselves. If there is a dispute on a point, then the point will be decided by a game of paper, rock, scissors. Some modifications can be made for this game, include using ping pong or pickle paddles. Tennis balls are a good alternative to wiffle balls if needed. Have players play games on their knees before standing up if it's not challenging enough. Thank you for watching my screencast on Frisbee Ping Pong. I hope you enjoy the game.